This video will brief you on the escalating reality of foodborne illness, specifically the 2025 cucumber salmonella outbreak and the critical gap in consumer safety. Over 74,000 pounds of product were recalled, highlighting that water alone is no longer enough to manage invisible risks. The outbreak radius spanned 20 states and is counting. The source was identified as Bedner growers in Florida, and the sheer volume of affected food led to a third wave of multi-state recalls. A single raw ingredient can have a widespread ripple effect through the food system, especially when it is processed and sold under multiple names. The contaminated ingredient here was linked to veggie trays, deli sandwiches, and chopped salad kits. Immediate action is required for consumers. Check purchase dates from late May to early June, inspect specific products like snack trays and salad kits, and sanitize all surfaces. Symptoms usually appear 6 hours to 6 days after exposure. Recalls are reactive, creating a vulnerability window between product consumption and the notification being issued. Contaminated produce often does not look, smell, or taste any different from safe food, making preventative action essential. Traditional rinsing has its limits. While it removes loose soil from smooth surfaces, water fails to dislodge pathogens like Salmonella, which adhere and hide within microscopic surface textures, deep in the microcrevices and biofilms. Enter Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash, a molecular shield for produce that is naturally clean and scientifically proven. It bridges the gap between purchase and consumption, removing 99.9% of harmful residues and pathogens, acting as a non-toxic firewall for your kitchen. The core science is hypochlorous acid, or HOCL. It is 80 to 100 times more powerful than bleach, yet is safe for human tissues. It naturally occurs in the human immune system and is non-toxic, residue-free, and odorless. Danolyte has a validated safety and regulatory profile. It is EPA registered with a 0 hazard rating. Ingredients are minimal and safe for vulnerable populations, including children and pregnant women. It is also vegan, organic, and chemical-free. A simple 5-step protocol ensures maximum purity. First, rinse off loose dirt. Second, apply or submerge with Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash. Third, wait 30 to 60 seconds. Fourth, rinse with clean water. And finally, dry with a clean cloth. Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash removes agricultural chemicals that can alter natural flavor, resulting in a difference you can taste. Customers report a crisp taste and a noticeable difference in flavor. Beyond this outbreak, supply chain risks remain. Contamination can occur at any stage, even for organic produce. Treat produce cleaning as a health investment, not just a chore. Elevate your food safety standard. While water rinsing removes loose dirt, Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash kills 99.9% of Salmonella and E. coli, removes pesticide residue, and reaches deep crevices. Don't sacrifice safety for cleanliness. Join countless families protecting their health and make Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash part of your daily routine. Scan the QR code to learn more.